Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS TUF F15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you find that some keys on your ASUS TUF F15 are not responding, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to dust or debris getting lodged beneath the keys, or potentially due to a faulty keyboard. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and make using your laptop a challenge. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard compatible with the ASUS TUF F15. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger, taking care not to damage any components inside. As you lift the panel, be cautious of any cables connected to the motherboard. Next, identify the keyboard connector. It's usually a thin ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. Now, you can remove the old keyboard. Depending on the model, it may be held in place by screws or clips. If it's the latter, gently pull up on the keyboard to release it from the chassis. When replacing it with your new keyboard, align it properly and secure it in place. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into the connector and locking it in. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully reattach the back panel, aligning it correctly, and replace the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your ASUS TUF F15 to check if the new keyboard is functioning correctly. If everything works as expected, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the keyboard. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your keyboard to remove any debris and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. Additionally, using a protective cover can help keep your keyboard in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.